Okay, I have to think that this thing, it is fantastic. Doesn't matter if it is for commuting or just having fun or something like that. It is super fast and really comfortable. And the best thing is that it's also really easy to use. Let me actually show it to you on a closer look. This thing is really, really cool. Okay, let's talk about this adult scooter, this electric adult scooter that this brand sent to me for this video. Number one, it is fast. It goes up to 20, or even if it's squeezed a little bit, up to 21 miles per hour. 16 inches fat tires. You can see that I'm sitting right here with no issues. I am 5'10" and I weigh 180 pounds, and this one supports up to 265 pounds. And the other thing I like about this one is the mile range. It goes up to 25 miles range, so you can actually go and commute pretty far if you also want, and just like use it the street, or just use it in closer street or things like that. Highway, I wouldn't go in the highway, of course. I mean, you gotta respect the rules for sure. But the other thing about this one is that it's really comfy right here on the seat. It's also really nice for using seating like this one. It also comes with both places for storage and dual brakes. So this thing with the 500 watts battery, and actually a really good battery life, it's a beast. Let's take a closer look. So you can check everything with the app, but right here you're gonna find a digital display, and this is gonna be the off position. With the on position, you will have two different modes. You will have the parking mode, or you will have the mode number 1 and mode number 2. That's gonna actually allow you to go a little bit faster. You have the battery life here, as well as the speed in kilometers per hour, also miles per hour. This is gonna be your gas. It's actually put it in parking position or off, so you don't actually, this one doesn't go like that. So here this one, and the brakes, and of course a really nice and ergonomic silicone grip right here. Also, last but not least, right here also you're gonna find a kind of like a hook for on the handlebar to use it for a bag or a purse or something like that. And last but not least, this. The key with the second position is also gonna give you the light. So you will find a light right here, and also the brake light. It comes with a really nice suspension, as well as the 16 inches fat tires. But talking about the lights, the other thing that I really like is, let me show you. With the lights on, when you're braking, you're gonna have the brake light. So that is really cool for when you're riding at night. A couple more things. You're gonna find a basket right here, which is gonna be really good for putting something when you're going like grocery shopping or things like that. More suspension right here, as well as the 2 calipers front and back tires, as well as this guard over here for the mud. But also really cool kind of like support over here for when you're leaning on the sides. Nice silicone grip for your feet, but if you want, you can use this one that they are retractable for the sides. And the most important thing, besides this really nice memory foam cushion, which is going to be really cool for sitting for long periods of times, is that you also have this storage over here. So that is really cool for putting things that you will use, or even the battery pack that you will charge in about, I want to say like 3 to 4 hours. It's going to be fully charged. It's going to give you a really nice amount of battery life. But I really love how easy it is to use, and also how fast this thing goes. Really fast. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not joking when I say fast. This thing goes really, really fast. 20 miles per hour. And with the fat tires, you can even use it in some like other terrain, like for example grass right here. You can see that I can even accelerate right here to use the gas as well. With the suspension, I have no issues. This thing is just fantastic, man. Goes really fast, super easy to use, good brakes as well, as you can see over here. And of course, the best thing is that it's going to be really good for that 25 miles range, and also really good for commuting. I have to say, I'm in love with this thing. This is going to be my new commuting thing, and of course, I like it. I do recommend it. I hope you like it too.